Thalawatugoda. We are in the third floor. This place is very beautiful.
Eating. Now it's time to review. We got 3 plates today. I had a sandwich and Chañaka had a spaghetti. Chicken with vegetables. Okay, now it's time to rate for my sandwich. For taste, I will give 8. How about you?
9.
For the chicken with, okay. And healthiness, I will give 9. Healthiness for sandwich.
9.
Okay, cleanliness for my sandwich, I will give 9. What you?
8.
8. Okay, now final service, I think both will be the same. I will give 9. You will give 9 too.
Yes.
Okay, finally, the budget. I will give this 7. How about you?
7 is okay.
7. Okay. Can you tell us more about your spaghetti? How was that? Okay, now Chañaka is going to rate his spaghetti. How about taste?
8.
Okay, how about cleanliness?
8.
Okay, healthiness?
8.
Okay, how about service? He gave it 8. And the budget? 7. Okay, today we had a special guest, our friend Chañaka. How was the food? Hope you enjoyed the food.
Yeah, it was very good.
Okay, super. And next time, if you like to join with us for dinner or lunch or breakfast, something like that, just comment below. Maybe we can have a meal together. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe Mr. Food to see more videos like this.
Thumbs up.
So,
Let's see, let's review.